Good morning, students. Let us begin with another topic of grammar, that is adverb. This topic is not new for you. You have already done in 4th class too. Adverb. The word is adverbs. Adverb means added to the verb. It means the words that adds to the meaning of verb, adjective or another adverb. They are called adverbs. Let us see the definition. An adverb modifies verb, adjective and an adverb in any sentence. Here, what do you mean by modifies? Modifies means change. It changes the meaning of verb, adjective and adverb. Or you can say it gives further information about verb, adjective and verb. Now let us see one by one how it modifies verb, then adjective and then adverb. Number one is modifying verb. See the example. He arrived home safely. He arrived home safely. Safely is adjective. Arrived is verb. So this word safely is giving more information about this verb arrived. He arrived home. How? Answer is safely. So more meaning is added to this verb. Safely has added more meaning. It has described the verb arrived. Next is modifying adjective. How does it modify an adjective? Let us see one example. She wore brightly colored dress. Brightly. Brightly over here is adverb. Adverb. Now this adverb is used for describing the color of the dress. You may also use she wore light colored dress. She wore pink colored dress. Then pink, brightly, lightly. All the words are used as adverb. In a way, they are describing the dress. So they are also adding to the meaning of adjectives. Now next, modifying adverb. How one adverb modifies another adverb. Let us see the example. She did her job fairly well. Now students, over here, well is adverb and fairly is also adverb. This adverb is adding to the meaning of this adverb. Already there was adverb in the sentence. She did her job fairly. How she did the job? Well. So this well word is one more adverb that is describing the previously mentioned adverb. Now I will tell you about types of adverb. There are 5 types of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency and adverb of degree. Let us study them one by one. Number 1 is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. You can say it answers the question how it happens. How it happens. It answers the question how it happens. It is also called as how adverb. For example, he looked at me carefully. Okay, which word is adverb over here? He looked at me carefully. Yes, carefully. Carefully is adverb of manner. Now, how can you identify that this is adverb of manner? Read the sentence once again. He looked at me. How? How does he look at me? Answer is given by this word adverb carefully. So this is adverb of manner. One more example. He plays football well. Well is adverb of manner. He plays football how? The answer is well. So it is adverb of manner. Now the next is adverb of place. It denotes where it happens. It means where does the action took place. It is also called where adverb. My keys must be somewhere. My keys must be somewhere. Somewhere over here is adverb of place. My keys must be where? You can ask the question, my keys must be where? The answer is given by this word somewhere. One more example. Here they are. Here they are. So here is adverb of place. They are Where? Here they are. Now the next is adverb of time. As the word denotes time, when it happens, it tells when does a particular action took place. So it is when adverb. For example, he came here early. Early is adverb. He came here when? When? Answer is early. He reached the school late. Late is adverb of time. When did he reach the school? Late. He reached the school late. So these two words, early, late, they are telling you about the time. The time adverbs can be the days of the week. They can be yesterday, they can be tomorrow, they can be soon, they can be after, they can be January, February. And they can be time also. For example, I reach in the class at 8 o'clock. I reach in the class when? 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock is adverb of time. Now the next is adverb of frequency. Frequency. Frequency means how frequent something happened. How frequent, how many times some work is done. So it is also known as how often it happens. So see the example, I always brush my teeth before going to bed. I always. So how many times do I brush? I brush always. It is my habit that I brush always. So the word always is adverb of frequency. Now the next example, she is often late for school. Often. She is often late for school. Often word is adverb of frequency. She gets late school how many times? Often. It means always. Usually she gets late for the school. Yes. Now the last one is adverb of degree. Degree, the word degree denotes in what amount, how much. In what amount, in how much way the work is done. For example, he arrived home fairly late. So you can say, you can ask the question, he arrived home almost late. Fairly over here is adverb of degree. Next is the cake can be made quite easily. Quite is adverb of degree. How can you make the cake? It is very easy. It is quite easy to make the cake. So it is the degree, in what degree the cake is easy to make. Next, he was almost fallen into the pit. Almost. He was fallen into the pit. In what degree? Almost. He was almost fallen into the pit. Now, before ending the video, you must remember this note. Number one is adverb of frequency is always put before the main verb or after a form of to be or helping verb. For example, he often works late. Often. This is verb and often is adverb of frequency. So it will be placed before the main verb. Now if we talk about the helping verb, it will come after the helping verb. He is never in time for dinner. Never. Is helping verb and adverb of frequency is coming after the helping verb. So did you understand that adverb of frequency is always placed before the main verb, and if you are talking about helping verb, it is placed after the helping verb. And what is to be kind of verb? For example, they can always call me in the times of need. They can. Can is to be kind of verb. Always. So this always, this frequency of adverb will come after can. They can always call me in the times of need. Now, second point that we have to remember is what? Adverb of time. Adverbs of time are either placed in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. I mean, what I mean to say, that adverbs of time, they come after the adverb of place. It will be clear after this example. Yesterday, I searched for my diary everywhere. Yesterday is, what do you think yesterday over here is? It is adverb of time. and everywhere is, yes, everywhere is adverb of place. So it is coming in the beginning. Let us see one more example. It is the same. Just I have places of adverb of time and adverb of place. I searched for my diary everywhere yesterday. Now it is very much clear that adverb of place always comes before adverb of time. If there are both kinds of adverb in a sentence or you are using somewhere in any composition, you should always remember that adverb of time will come after adverb of place.